In this video, I show you how to enable HSTS, HTTP Strict Transport Security, using Cloudflare. HSTS forces your website to load only over HTTP, which boosts security, protects data, and builds user trust. Start by logging into your Cloudflare dashboard and selecting your domain. From the left menu, go to SSL/TLS and then click Edge Certificates. Scroll down until you see the HSTS section. Click Enable HTS, check the confirmation box and proceed. Now configure the settings. Turn HTS on, choose a max age value, 6 months or 12 months are common, and optionally enable includeSubDomains if all your subdomains support HTTPS. You can also enable preload to enforce HTTPS in browsers globally. But remember, that step is hard to undo. For added protection, consider enabling the no-sniff header. Once your settings are ready, click Save. That's it. HSTS is now enabled and your site will always load securely over HTTP. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Cloudflare tutorials.